Thank you, Toastmaster. Good evening. Dear Toastmasters and distinguished guests, today I have been given a chance to tell you people about myself. Today is my icebreaker. The purpose of icebreaker is to tell you people about myself, that what I was, what I am, and what I want to become in the near future. First of all, I want to say thank to the concerned Toastmaster who have adjusted my icebreaker in today's meeting. So I want to start my icebreaker from the place of birth and my family background. I was born in Islamabad. As far as my family background is concerned, my father is a retired government officer. He worked in Ministry of Finance for a period of 30 years and he has got retirement last year. My mother is a housewife. My eldest sister did masters in English literature and my elder brother is a qualified cost and management accountant. He is doing job in Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan and he is working there as Assistant Director Finance. Then my number came after my elder brother, and my younger brother did MBA Finance from Namal and currently he is doing job as an accounts officer in Comsets. All my family members always supported me a lot and they always encouraged me from the very beginning to do, what not to do, and what is better and what is not better for me. Now I want to tell you about my education and qualification. My education actually started from the lap of my mother. She always guided me that what is right and what is not right, what is wrong and what should you do and what should not do. As far as my schooling is concerned, I started my schooling from a well-known school, Educare Center, that was in I-10, Markaz, Islamabad. And there I started my education and I spent the 5 years of my education over there. After that, we were moved to Rawalpindi because we constructed our own house in Rawalpindi and we were moved there. When we went to the Rawalpindi, I got admission in another school that was named as the Bengal House of Arts and Sciences and Girls College. That was a very good school and most of the teachers were very encouraging and very cooperative and I had a very good experiences with that school, then students, teachers and all the staff. After matriculation, I did FSC Pre-Engineering from FG College for Men, Sector S9 Islamabad, and that was also a very good experience. I participated there a lot in different skits and all things that should very much required for becoming a good student. After FSC, I have realized that I have nothing to do with the science subject because I had no interest in studying science. So I moved towards commerce and I got admission in FG College of Commerce at Export Islamabad. That was a good college and I was very interested in commerce subjects and that was a very good experience for me to do BCom from there. I was a position holder from that college in BCom. After BCom, I got admission in Namal in MBA Finance. I studied there for a period of 2 years. That was very entertaining period and that was a very good period in Namal. So I did MBA Finance from Namal in 2007. After completing my MBA Finance degree, I started job in Zong's customer services. That was a very challenging job and I was a customer services officer over there. I used to take above 300 calls in a day and that was a very challenging task. But there was a learning experience over there because I was on an English queue and that was a big source of improvement of my language. The Zone was a big organization and I learned a lot from customer services. But after 2 years, I left that job because I was thinking that I am going very much away from my own field, that is finance and accounts. So make myself connected with my own field, I started ICMA. I got admission in ICMA And currently I am studying in ICMA and I am in stage 5. That is second last semester of ICMA. That's all about my education and qualification. As far as my hobbies are concerned, my hobbies are to have pets in my house. I'm having a cat nowadays in my house, and she's very beautiful, and she loves me a lot, and she is really nice. I love to have these kind of cats.
You're talking about cats, no?
Yes. And as far as my ambitions are concerned, so I want to complete my education as soon as possible. Whenever I will have ICMA degree as well as MBA Finance, so I will have good experience in some multinational and good organization. And I am thinking that my aim is to build my experience in the field of accounts and finance, and to have a firm cost and management accounting firm like Mia Ramzan is having. I would also like to have that kind of firm. That is my dream and my ambition. Why I joined Toastmasters? I joined Toastmasters because I know that only good education is not sufficient for the survival in this era of competition. There is a lot of competition and it is very difficult to survive. That's why I joined Toastmasters. In last, I want to say that the whole human life is a learning process. And if a person thinks that he or she is a perfect person and there is no need for improvement, then I think on that day when she or he thinks that, on that day his or her downfall starts. Over to Toastmaster.